I thought I'd do a video on how to get your lead really black. Now when I make a window from scratch, the process of polishing the window with my polisher blackens the lead, and I've made a video about that, so I won't talk more about that now. But this window, these two windows, all I did was take them out of the door and replace the outside lead. So this lead in the middle is old and it's quite dull. So I am going to apply Great Black. Now Great Black is a bit of a pain, because if you apply it to the lead and it goes on the window and you wipe it off the window, you inevitably wipe it off the lead. So I have found that this tool is really good for applying it to the lead. You can use your finger on the outside lead, but the lead that's thin, and this is 6mm lead, your finger's just too big, even your little finger. So I use this. It's a sort of rubber thing with a chisel end. And I bought these thinking I would use them with my paintwork, but actually they're just rubbish. They move too much, so you can't control them very nicely. But they seem very good for applying the Great Black. So I've been doing this already, so I'll just carry on. And what I'm going to do is put it all over the window. I've already put it down here. And then I'm going to let it sit like you do with shoe polish. You remember the old days when you used to polish your shoes? So I shall come back to it tomorrow and I shall rub it up, and hopefully I'll get a nice black bloom on my glass. And it really is a lovely finishing touch, and your customer will feel very happy about how renewed her window looks when it goes in. It's a bit time consuming and fiddly, but then isn't everything in stained glass? This is a clothes brush. It's nice and soft, and because of its long angle you get quite a good sweep going, and this is what I use to polish up. I do have my electric polisher, but sometimes that's a bit overkill. Although having said that, I think with this lead being very old, it's not polishing up terribly well. So I'll just give it a little polish with my floor polisher. Although I don't need to do much. Just run it over. And actually that's enough.